In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust logo size on your Shopify store. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and how to fine-tune your logo so it looks clean and professional on both desktop and mobile. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is the main control center for your store. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Online Store and click it. This will open the section where all of your themes are listed. At the top of that list, you'll see your current live theme. Next to it, click the option that lets you edit the theme. This will open the theme editor, which is where you can visually customize your storefront. Once the theme editor loads, take a look at the far left side of the screen. You'll see different sections and usually at the bottom or near the bottom, a small gear icon. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your theme settings. This is where global design options live, such as colors, typography, and in this case, your logo settings. Inside the theme settings, look for an option called Logo and Favicon. It should be near the top of the list. Click that to open the specific controls related to your store's logo. Here, you'll find settings that control how large your logo appears on different devices. You'll see a setting labeled Desktop Height. Next to it, there should be a slider and a text box. You can drag the slider left or right to decrease or increase the height of your logo on desktop screens. If you want more precise control, you can type a specific value into the text box instead of using the slider. This can be helpful if you already have a preferred size in mind, or if you're trying to match branding guidelines. Below or near that, you'll find a similar option for mobile height. This works the same way. Use the slider or the text box to set a size that looks good on phones and smaller devices. It's important to adjust both desktop and mobile heights so your logo doesn't look too tiny on desktop or too large on mobile. As you make adjustments, keep an eye on the live preview on the right side of the screen. This preview updates as you change the values, so you can see exactly how your logo will appear to visitors before publishing the changes. When you're happy with how everything looks, move to the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your adjustments won't go live on your storefront. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your logo size on your Shopify store for both desktop and mobile views.